Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to yet another video. Here we have something very interesting for you today, and this is the unboxing of the iPhone SE. Now before wasting any time, let's get this started. The box itself is an understated design like typical iPhone boxes, and here we have the product red version of the iPhone SE, and the profits from every single red iPhone SE sold goes directly to the global fund to combat COVID-19. Inside the box you get the iPhone SE itself in red color, but it's also available in white and black, all of which have a black front. Additionally, you get some paperwork, the usual Apple stickers, a 5-watt USB charger. The iPhone SE does support up to 18-watt fast charging, so in case you already don't have a faster charger, you'll have to buy a new one to get faster charging speeds. You also get a USB Type-A to Lightning port, as well as a SIM ejector and Lightning earphones, considering that this doesn't have an audio jack. The device we have here has been purchased from Apple Canada, and thanks to my good friend Shantanu Gupta for making this video possible. He also has a tech YouTube channel that he has started quite recently, and I would suggest you check it out once this video is done. Due to the COVID-19 situation in India and the lockdown, we are not entirely sure when exactly we'll receive the iPhone SE here, but it will retail at a price of Rs 42,500 when it does eventually launch here. That is the starting price, of course. In Canada, the iPhone SE starts at a price of Canadian dollar 599, which is roughly 32,000 rupees, and we paid 649 Canadian dollars for this unit, including taxes. That roughly translates to around 35,000 Indian rupees. Now I know some of you are planning to import this device from abroad, but when you do, please make sure that you also account for taxes as well as the credit card conversion charges when you're actually buying it, because when the product does eventually launch in India, there is a chance that it could come with some cashback offers. So assuming that we get a cashback of around 4,000 to 5,000, that would bring the price difference between the Canadian version or the US version and the Indian version to just around 1.5 to 2,000 rupees, and in that case, it's probably best to buy it locally itself. The iPhone SE is essentially an iPhone 8 with an A13 Bionic chipset inside it. What that means is that you have performance just like the iPhone 11 or 11 Pro series. Well, almost, considering this is slightly underclocked, but then again this has lower resolution to push and a smaller screen as well. The 4.7-inch screen is a bit small by 2020 standards, but then again it still is Retina display, so the pixel density is pretty good and the sharpness feels good as well. As you can probably tell from the videos, the device does feature a home button once again, and as a result it also has Touch ID, which was last seen on the likes of the iPhone 8 series. There's no Face ID here, however, but Touch ID should be good, especially at a time when people are wearing masks right now and Face ID doesn't work as well as advertised. It comes with a 12MP f1.8 camera that's borrowed from the iPhone 8, but considering that this has the brand new A13 Bionic chipset inside it, I would assume that the photo quality is much better than the iPhone 8 and is on par, if not almost as good as the iPhone 11 series itself. It also supports up to 4K 60fps, and you also get a 7MP f2.2 camera at the front. The device also comes with IP67 rating for protection against dust and water, and the earpiece doubles up as a secondary speaker as well. There's a 1821 mAh battery under the hood, which may not seem like all that much, but then again this has a 4.7-inch display with lower resolution, and it can also charge up to 50% in 30 minutes according to Apple's claims with an 18-watt adapter. It also supports Qi wireless charging. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone SE from us. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.